Clever Fox Ultimate Achievers Planner is a unique planning tool that helps you set and achieve big life goals by developing a viable strategy and working on these goals daily. This planner comes in a convenient A5 size and measures 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches to easily fit inside your bag. It has a durable hardcover, an elastic band, a pen holder, 3 ribbon bookmarks, thick 120 GSM no-bleed paper, and an expandable pocket for loose notes at the back. This set is completed with a beautiful gift box, a detailed user guide with step-by-step instructions, and 6 sheets of colorful planning stickers. The planner lasts 13 weeks, the perfect time frame for developing a detailed action plan and making tangible progress on each goal you've set. The pages are undated, so you can take a break or skip a week if needed. Begin planning by setting up to 5 goals to work on. Define and record each goal and choose the life areas your goal focuses on. Consider why this goal is vital for you. Break it into key milestones you need to reach and set a deadline for each one. Then, brainstorm how to hit each milestone by breaking it into even smaller steps. This exercise will help you understand where to start and work on your goal consistently by incorporating the smaller steps you've listed into your daily agenda. For each goal, you can also choose an accountability partner and a reward to help you stay motivated and avoid quitting halfway through. Once you set your goals, you can mark all important dates, tasks, and deadlines on convenient monthly calendars to ensure you forget nothing important. We've also added plenty of empty dot grid space for any extra notes. Begin each week by listing the milestones you want to hit by the end, recording your work and personal to-dos, and adding the habits and skills you want to develop each day to the habit calendar. This way, you can make progress on your goals while maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Each week also includes a review page to track your progress, reflect on your achievements, and determine how to improve the following week. The daily pages help you stay productive and organized and support a positive mindset. Here, you can record an affirmation you want to follow that day, practice gratitude, list everything you are excited about, and choose an activity to complete in any life area to help you feel fulfilled. Add your work and personal to-dos to the dedicated areas and set your main daily goal and priorities. Ideally, these would be the small action steps you've listed at the beginning of the planner, so you can mark the number of the big goal you are working towards next to the daily targets you've set. Next, plan a detailed schedule for the day ahead by incorporating the goals, priorities, and to-dos you want to complete. This way, you can ensure you have plenty of time to work on each. At the end of the day, celebrate how far you've come, list your daily wins, and consider how you can improve tomorrow. Doing so will help you make consistent daily progress towards the goals you've set out to achieve effectively and sustainably. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.